model, 2014 Renault Trafic Sl27 2.0 Dci spares OR repair needs fuel pump replacing grin. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 238987. MOT, the 11th of January 2025. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R90E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect only on easy start, needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Fuel pressure is only going up to 70 where it needs to go up over 200. No fault codes for the injectors and they are all giving the correct readings. It's just it cannot meet the required pressure in the fuel rail. Easy quick repair to get this back on the road. You wouldn't believe it's done over 200k miles. First to see will buy this. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition.